Obviously you can tell I don't love this agreement. I want to make sure you understand if I follow this agreement and you're in trouble and you're in here again on another motion, it's not going to go this way. Good morning, sir. Are you John Hill? And let me get this pulled up correctly. Mr. Rojas, will your client waive a formal reading of the motion?
He will, yes.
Mr. Hill, in clause number 22-40932, I have an amended motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. Shows that you were placed on probation March 28th of 2023 for the third-degree felony offense of forgery of a financial instrument. Is it a third? The docket for some reason has state jail beside it.
It looks like it's a third, Your Honor, on the motion, on the admin.
Okay. I just want to make sure I'm saying the right thing because it has SJ on the docket.
It was enhanced, Your Honor.
Okay, so it was a state jail felony forgery that was enhanced to a third degree.
Yes, Your Honor.
And it was a 5-year deferred probation. Is that correct? The motion alleges that you violated your probation. Count 1 alleges that you committed the offense of theft of property less between $100 and $750, April 15th of 2026. Is that true or not true? True or not true?
Judge, we can drop count 2. It's duplicative. It's injurious habit. We're committing theft. I'm sorry. We're going to drop count 2 just because it's duplicative.
Count 3 alleges that you're behind in your court assessed fees as of April 16th of 2026 in the amount of $10,859. Is that true or not true?
True.
Count 4 alleges that you failed to report as directed to the probation department for the months of April and May of 2026. And is that true or not true?
True.
Count 5 alleges that you failed to remain in Jefferson County, Texas, and that you were in Orange County June 1st of 2026 where without permission. Is that true or not true?
True.
And then count 6 alleges that you failed to immediately report the arrest for theft of property to your probation officer. And is that true or not true?
True.
Did you enter your pleas of true to counts 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6 freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
And did you plead true to those counts because they're actually true?
Yes.
Give me just a second. I need to look back at some things to understand. Looking for the PSI. Also.
Was your question about the 3, Your Honor?
It's actually a third degree. It wasn't enhanced. It was not
Okay.
enhanced. It was a third degree forgery. That was amended back when he entered that plea in March to show that it was just the caption that was incorrect. Okay. Got it.
I'm sure.
What is the status of the new theft case?
It's pending, Judge. When this is over, we're going to take him down the hall and give him plea to that one as well.
I know.
I believe it's set this morning also.
I realize most of this history is very old. I just don't know that I love to pay 45-day sanction for someone with this kind of history for the same type of, I mean, it's a theft.
And Judge, if I can, the thing that he was stealing food, it's not like he was out stealing stuff to go, alcohol or anything like that. He and his son have started a trucking company. He is going to be gainfully employed, when he's released. And he, I think, as far as I know, the court's not really concerned about the money, but he did have an accident which made it hard for him to stay up to date on probation fees. And he's trying to turn his life around, Judge. I think he's, like I said, he started the trucking company. That's a step in the right direction, I think.
All right, so Mr. Hill, I have here on the tablet some documents that have your signature on them that the state's marked as exhibit number 1. Before you sign these, did you go over them with Mr. Rojas?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you fully understand them? And do you understand if I follow the agreement that you've made with the district attorney that you'll be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes.
Now, it looks like the agreement is for me to continue you on probation, but order a 45-day sanction as a condition and with the, I guess, the caveat that you're going to go take care of the other case. There's going to actually be a plea. It's not getting dismissed, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Is that your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Obviously you can tell I don't love this agreement. I want to make sure you understand if I follow this agreement and you're in trouble and you're in here again on another motion, it's not going to go this way. Okay.
But I'm embarrassed.
All right, I'm going to, state tenders number 1.
No objections.
It's admitted any evidence that Mr. Hill is not competent.
No, Your Honor.
All right, sir, I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of true to counts 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6 freely and voluntarily. Find those counts true, find sufficient evidence to find you guilty and revoke your probation, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to continue you on probation. I'm going to order that 45-day sanction. And you will get, agreement is for him to get credit since the motion, right? The arrest on the motion.
Yes, Your Honor.
So you will get credit on that 45 days for any amount of time that you've been in since you were arrested on the motion to revoke. So not from the original part of the case, but just since you've been in on this. I'm going to hand you the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement that I followed, and so you have waived your right to appeal. Take advantage of this today. All right, good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You can go back with the bailiff.
Yes, ma'am.
Look, he's fine.